Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to do live wallpaper on PC. Here are the steps to set a live wallpaper on a Windows PC. First, turn on your PC and wait until it fully loads to the desktop. Check your Windows version. Live wallpapers work best on Windows 10 or 11. Open your web browser. Use Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, whatever your choice. Then go to a trusted live wallpaper source. For example, Lively Wallpaper or Rain Wallpaper. Download the Live Wallpaper app. Click Install or Download for the app you choose. Install the application. Open the downloaded setup file, or you can click on the pop-up download in the top right and follow the prompts. Launch the Live Wallpaper app. Find it in the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Browse available live wallpapers. Most apps have a gallery of free or premium options. Preview your chosen live wallpaper. Right-click on one to see how it looks before applying, for example, fluids. Choose Set as Wallpaper. This applies to your desktop background. Adjust wallpaper settings. Right-click again and click Customize. Here, you can change playback speed, resolution, effects, etc. if available. Save changes. Click OK to apply and confirm the settings to keep your wallpaper active. Enjoy your animated desktop. Your PC will now display the live wallpaper and the background. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.